Hi everyone, welcome to the unboxing and my initial review of Keychron Q11 split keyboard. This is not new keyboard but it was released around 2 years ago. This is fully assembled brown switch keyboard. It should give good balance for someone like me new to mechanical keyboards. So it is not as sturdy or clicky as blue switch, but not as quite as red as well. Here are some information on the back of the box. Now let's see what's inside the box. First, we're greeted with this quick start guide, which has some good useful information. It suggests switching to the right versions, Windows or Mac. And then there are manuals and safety warnings on the on switching the keys, as this is a hot swappable keyboard which you can easily customize. We also get USB-C cable for connecting to PC, as they are not wireless, and a smaller cable to connect two split keyboards. It feels too short for split keyboard experience. There are some additional keycaps, and we also get Windows key, which you can easily replace to your existing keycap. And finally, we have the tools. We need to replace the keys and the switches. Oh, there's type C to type A adapter as well. This is very convenient if you want to connect to older devices. Now let's check out the keyboard itself, and well, they are quite heavy, maybe around 1 kg. And let's check out the right side of the keyboard, which should be around 400-500 grams. And there's a rotating knob which can also be tapped. This looks cool. The body feels very premium as it is aluminum. Same goes for the left side as well. It has clicky keys, knob, some useful macro keys at the left, also very well built. Now I'm going to place them side by side, so they are very heavy. Below there is a foam with good grip, and you can easily displace while typing, which is I think very important for split keyboard. The top section includes the connectors. Both keyboard have connectors to link them. The main power connection is in the left side of the keyboard with the Windows or Mac switch as well, but we can still use them individually, like if we only want to use one half of the keyboard, which is a convenient, cool feature. And this is how it looks when connected. Good spacing between the keys. Now I've finally connected the keyboard, and we are greeted with RGB backlight. We should have the option to change them as well. I'll comment about it more. I'll likely turn it off, but it is useful if you're working or gaming in the dark room. I like the clicky sound of the brown switch, which is slightly louder than scissor keys. It took some time to figure out, but this is how we can use keycap puller. give it a good press after you finally switch the key so that it can be placed properly, else it will seem a bit bigger than the other keys. I also tried using the bare hands, which works, but I don't recommend it. To configure the QMK supported keys, I visited Can I Use Via site and then clicked Start Now, and after that I was greeted to this keyboard configuration page. We can tap the keys on the layout, which highlights the key to be updated. The selection for the replacement options is given at the bottom here. There are also other options you can make, like for example macro keys, where you can use single tap shortcut for multiple key combinations. To record macro keys, I can go to full screen and then start recording and press some combination and then save. That's how simple it is. We can also manually add them instead of recording. Finally, let me show you my final settings. I can easily save and load configurations. I added backspace as macro 1 key and then 2 command keys on the left, as we already have FN key on the right. For the M1 macro key, I added command tab combination, which can switch back to previous app on single button. For M2, I added quick screenshot shortcut for me, and rest are not configured for the time being. I still need to figure out what is helpful. While we can configure lighting, I'm not using it most of the time, so I'll leave it as it is. I've yet to try them properly, but a couple of things missing here would be no wireless connections, and the cables that link are very short. But the good points are that it is ergonomic split design, the build quality is amazing, and you can easily swap the keys and buy the new sets